So guys, let us do the unboxing of this Calus wireless buds. These are the P12, and this is one of the best wireless buds I have ever seen on the market these days. These are the cheapest buds you can find. So let us do the unboxing. It was very simple and a little bit difficult. I had a little bit of struggle to remove the casing. This is a really nice packaging, and the packaging was very strong. So here are our buds. So we had a few things in the box. We had a very simple packaging. These are the packaging we had. So our buds are, they are very nice, and the casing, man, this casing was really heavy. This is a really heavy casing. So have a USB, a type A to type C USB cable. So here's our buds. Let me remove the thing. Yeah, these buds are really nice, and the casing is a little bit heavy and compact. It is very solid. So these are the buds. These buds are very small, so they can fit in any kind of ear. It can fit in children, it can fit in small ears. They are really nice and comfortable. The base is very heavy. I'm going to do a free review of these buds, so subscribe if you want to get a free review and the sound and best quality. So these are the buds. They are very small. The casings just like that was very simple and easy. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.